So this is our version of a carbon fiber steering wheel, this design. This is V1, and you can see that we had the center struts in there, but made life very difficult as far as manufacturing is concerned. So here is V3 of our design process, and we've made the steering wheel slightly smaller and add a couple of extra radius to it, and obviously remove those center sections out of there. Here's V4, so this is the final one that we'll be working with, and here we've just added radiuses to everything so that it's easier to demold the final product. Well, we hope at least. We'll find out. So we are, let's see if we can see here. So we're 15 hours in, 98% complete. And that is what the steering wheel looks like currently. And we've got another 2 hours to go. It's about 10 o'clock now, and so we should be finished around 12:30, 1. I'm too excited to go to sleep because I want to see it finished. So yep. Okay guys, so this is what we've now printed up, full mock-up version of the wheel. This is version 2, and we've now on a version 4. So I'll go through the differences. The differences really at this stage are the curvature of the top section, the placement of the buttons, the radius to all the edges, the positioning of the actual handle, and the design of the pedal shift on the rear we've changed. But dimensionally, it's pretty much exactly the same thing. This has been printed twice now. No need to print the last one because we're quite comfortable with the design going forward now. As you can see, we've got our gear selectors, and on this side, we've got a little clutch. And yeah, so that's what we are sitting with now. Sits well in Caleb's hands for the size of his hands, the reach of his hands. Works. These knobs over here, these little turnstile knobs, will be for the pneumatic system that will be running the clutch activation and the gear selection. They'll merely be to engage and disengage, how quickly that takes place. We're thinking of putting one of the brake biases on here as well, but you know, mechanically it's probably going to be better to have that on the actual bulkhead of the tub. So we'll end up playing that one by ear and seeing where we end up. All right, just to go through the detail of the change in design. So here is the current design of the paddle shift. Inside, the electronics are mounted internally. It's bulky, it's quite heavy. And here is the new design. It's far simpler, it's narrower, lighter. Little electronic switch mounts outside of it for repairs. It allows for movement, adjustability. The little lever gear goes in there, and so that's it. It's a really simple, easy design. I'll just compare the two for you. So let's use the clumsy it is. So that's version 1 and version 2. And as you can see, it's far simpler, more elegant, less intrusive. What we've done is now created the two halves of the steering wheel in negative format. And what we're going to do now is machine it out of aluminium. That's currently taking place. Then we will lay that up with carbon fiber inside the voids, put the two halves together, and then voila, we have a carbon fiber steering wheel. So now we're at Garth from GPE Engineering, and he's busy running the toolpaths for us so that we're 100% sure that everything's going to work and that we don't have any catastrophic failures. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for joining us.